Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. In this video, I really just want to focus here on the shorter time frame. Currently, the parameters of the wave count here on the lower time frame that we discussed in the last video are being respected. So let's talk about the two. I've got basically two wave counts here that could take us higher in this high B wave. Okay, so the idea was that possibly this correction started in a wave 4. If you're now unsure about, okay, what is the wave 4, feel free to check out the previous video. I discussed in my previous video today the medium-term wave count, basically the bigger picture, the daily chart. We took a look at the daily time frame and worked our way down. Because that hasn't changed, I just want to focus on the shorter time frame here. I shared with you in the previous video a support area that the price can use to reverse and to start the C wave rally in a larger degree B wave, possibly targeting this resistance area between $64 and $76. So there are certain Fibonacci levels that we need to pay attention to once we get there. Yeah, $64, 66, 68, 76. And the idea, there are basically, as I said, two pathways that I clearly see. These two pathways depend on the support here, so they are contingent on holding the 78.6 retracement, so the $53 level needs to hold, or we are going down more directly, and probably this was all of wave B already. But for now, I see it a little more likely that we form a high B wave. So the move down, and why? Yeah, the move down was in 3 waves. That could be an A wave. An A wave can be a 3-wave move. Whenever that's the case, the B wave can be very aggressive. So basically we talk about flat structure, which can turn into a regular flat, an expanded flat, a running flat. That's not so important now, but we need to be aware that whenever we have an A wave that is a 3-wave move, the B wave can be fairly aggressive. Now, there are 2 ways how this B wave to the upside can unfold. The first wave is, and let me take that out again, the first wave is that the ABC structure here is unfolding as basically a zigzag correction in which the A wave has 5 waves, and we have 5 waves. They're just not crystal clear, but we have 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5 waves up, and then I shared with you in the previous video, okay, if that's the case, the A wave could be complete, and this is an ABC structure in wave B. We've got our support between $53 and 56. As long as it's holding, watch for a C wave rally. Now, it happened, we came down into the support area and did hold the 38.2 Fib level, and could now be in this C wave. I need confirmation for that, however, and we need to see the price break above $59.60 to confirm that we're moving up in wave C. The other option, and it's really not much different, the other option would be that the A wave indeed topped here. The A wave was a simple ABC structure. The B wave happened here already, okay? And this is already a 1-2 setup of wave C. So it just means we would be a little bit further ahead, okay? So B wave would be here, and this is a 1-2 setup, which could now result in a 3rd wave rally, 4, 5. That's it. So basically just a couple of different, or 2 different ways, very similar, and one of these should work out as long as we're holding $53.14. I can't even confirm at this stage that the B wave has bottomed yet, because we haven't got a break above $59.65. As soon as we've got that, I can give you a rough target for the C wave. I mean, we can make an assumption right now, just assuming the B wave might have bottomed. It's not entirely clear, but then at least we could calculate a rough target, and we talk about $65.20 first. We've got the resistance area, and the resistances can be relevant, but also the Fibonacci projections, and oftentimes a C wave reaches the 100% extension of the A wave, and that is at $65.26. So that's just a quick overview of the shorter time frame. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.